In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize the freeze panes feature in Microsoft Excel, a skill that's invaluable when working on large spreadsheets. This feature allows you to lock certain rows and columns, making them stay visible no matter how far you scroll. We'll explore 3 straightforward ways to implement this, ensuring you can tailor it perfectly to fit your needs. Let's start with freezing the top row only. This is especially helpful when you're working with a dataset that extends far beyond what you can see on the screen, and you want those all-important headers to remain fixed while you navigate through your data. All you need to do is head over to the View tab located in the Excel ribbon at the top of your screen. Once there, you'll see an option labeled Freeze Panes. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Freeze Top Row. Now, as you scroll down your worksheet, you'll notice that the first row stays perfectly in place, providing a constant reference point as you analyze or input your data. Now, let's switch gears to freezing the first column. This is particularly handy for keeping your identifiers, such as names or IDs, in sight as you move across a wide spreadsheet. The process is similar to freezing the top row. Navigate once more to the View tab, click on Freeze Panes, and this time select Freeze First Column from the drop-down menu. With that done, column A will remain anchored on your screen, regardless of how far you scroll to the right. Lastly, let's look at how to freeze both rows and columns simultaneously. This is a more custom approach that allows you to lock a specific section of your spreadsheet. For instance, if you want to keep the first 2 rows and the first 2 columns visible, you'll need to do a bit of preliminary setup. Start by selecting the cell that's just below the rows and to the right of the columns you want to keep in view. In this case, you would click on cell C3. With your cell selected, return to the View tab, click on Freeze Panes, and choose Freeze Panes from the menu once again. This action ensures that everything above and to the left of your selection stays frozen as you navigate through the rest of your sheet. There you have it. 3 simple yet incredibly useful ways to keep key parts of your spreadsheet visible while you work. Whether you're managing extensive data sets or crafting detailed reports, mastering the Freeze Panes feature can significantly enhance your efficiency and workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials that help make your tasks easier and more effective.